Hey, birdie.
It's dying.
You're alive.
And boom goes the dynamite.
And we're out of juice. See, its eyes opened. Oh, it's
It
alive.
was just sleeping. Oh, motherfucker.
Holy shit! Oh, he's alive! He's alive!
What is this? Chuck it.
Just pick it up and be like, whoa! Yeah, it's like dead. I probably smashed it in the window and it's confused. Paralyzed. Dazed and confused. Don't.
Holy shit!
Yeah, just leave it alone. Oh, nice. Nice, dude. Souvenir. Tickle it with his own feather.
Should we get it water?
I don't know.
I mean, like, since Nate fucked with it, should we get it water?
I didn't fuck with it.
Shut the fuck
I was
up!
waking it up.
Ah, fuck, see it.